Just want to pick back up. After the rain, we have beautiful blooms. I love it when it rains. This is the Alfred Sisley Rose, some blooms. Salvia looking good. Julia Child. And a lot fell off because of the rain too. But my little pollinator section is doing well. This Greg's Miss flower is really spreading. My Bellini crepe myrtle getting some blooms. Love that salvia combo right there. I think that's Mealy Blue Sage and 11 Wishes salvia. Salvia leucantha getting lots of more feathery blooms. Coral nymphs, and then a red autumn sage. Some more salvia. And this Peter Mayau rose. Look at this. Gorgeous. Peter Mayau. And this looks like it as well. All right, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to show you what's going on after a nice rain. Oh, let me go this little section. These are just some warm mums and sedum. I just can't believe the sedum sprouts this flower. I never knew it did that. Pretty mums that I planted last year. Survived the frost, everything. The snow that came. And my my hydrangea, microphylla, is coming back. Some blooms. Planted that last year. And my little lime one is coming back as well. Thanks for tuning in.